Hi, friends! Today we're going to learn how to use the verb to be in the past tense. It's super easy and fun. Let's go!
I, he, she, it, was. We, you, they, were. Was. Were.
The trees were green. They were not colorful. The lake was blue. It was not colorful. The clouds were blue. They were not pink. These berries were not blue. They were red. Can I eat them? Bleh. Ugh. Bleh.
Hello, little dragon.
Hello, who are you?
I am a forest fairy. Look what I have.
What is this?
It's a magic wand. I can paint anything with it. Do you want to become colorful?
Oh, so you painted the trees, the lake, and the clouds.
Yes. Isn't it beautiful?
And my berries?
Maybe the berries too.
Oh no! Now I don't know which berries I can eat. These blue ones are sour and yucky. Where are my favorite red berries? They were so sweet.
Do you like red berries?
Yes, very much.
Like these?
Yes, those. Try them, they're so yummy.
Oh, they are.
Please don't paint the berries anymore. I won't know which ones I can eat.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make trouble. I just wanted to make your forest magical. Do you want to paint together?
Let's do it.